Hello everyone, myself is Shreyas. Today I'm giving presentation on internship on stock market prediction using machine learning under the guidance of Professor Vikas H. These are the content, certificate, introduction, objectives, plan of work, block diagram, algorithm, hardware and software components, advantages and disadvantages, application results and discussion, conclusion, reference. This is the certificate. About company, Crane City is a company that provides enterprise statistical, analytics, and engineering simulation software products and solutions across the globe. The company's business interests span products, productized solutions, services, and R&D in future technologies. The company started as a distributor of antivirus software in Bangalore and later moved on become the authorized distributor of MATLAB in South Asia in 1993, where the introduction. The stock market allows buyers and sellers of securities to meet, interact, and transact. The markets allows for price for discovery for shares or corporations and serve as a barometer for all the overall economy. Buyers and sellers are assured of a fair price, high degree of liquidity, and transparency as market participants complete in the open market. The first stock market was the London Stock Exchange, which began in Cafe House, where traders meet to exchange shares in 1773. And the stock market is a trading platform where different investors sells buyers buy stocks with low prices and sell stocks at high prices and try to get huge profit, and sellers sell their products at high prices for profit purpose. The stock market allows investors to own shares of public companies through trading either by exchange or over the counter markets. Stock market prediction is the process of forecasting the future price movements of stocks or securities traded in financial markets, where we use machine learning. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that can be considered as we train machines with the data and analysis future with the test data. These are the objectives to check performance, prediction of stock price, and buy or sell prediction of a particular stock in the market using various machine learning to predict the stock prices in order to make more informed and accurate investment decisions, to improve prediction accuracy, to enable real-time analysis, to develop algorithms that improve the accuracy in trades based on the predicted market movement. These are the plan of work, block diagram. Dataset collection. This module includes data collection and understanding the data to study the patterns and trends, which helps in prediction and evaluating the results. Data preprocessing. This phase of model handles inconscient data in order to get a more accurate and precise results and to find missing values. Training and testing. This may involve removing any missing values, normalizing the data, and splitting the data into training and testing sets. Applying various algorithms. When data has been ready, we apply machine learning technique. Once the data is pre-processed, you can use a decision tree algorithm to build a model that can be predict future stock prices. Where next the step is predicting price. Once the decision tree is built, you should test the model to see how well it performs in predicting future stock prices accuracy. If the model does not perform well, you may need to refine it by adjusting the parameters of decision tree algorithm, changing the variables or conditions used in the model, or using a different machine learning technique. Algorithm decision tree is a common supervised learning approach employed for both regression and classification problems. The goal of technique is forecasting a target by using decision rules shaped by from the datasets and related features. Being easy to interrupt or able to solve problems with the different outputs are two advantages of using this new model. On the contrary, constructing over complex trees that cause overfitting is a typical disadvantage. A schematic illustration of decision tree is shown below, where the decision tree algorithm has two nodes. One is decision node and one is leaf node. Hardware and software components. Hardware requirement system i3 processor, hard disk 500 GB, monitor 15 LED, RAM 8 GB. Software equipments. Operating system Windows 10 we need. coding language Python, platform Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, or we can use Collables. Advantages and disadvantages. It can be advantages. It can process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. It can identify patterns and trends that may not be noticeable to human analysts. It can adjust predictions in real time as new data becomes available. It can potentially improve investment decisions and increase returns. Disadvantages: historical data may be a reliable indicator of future market behavior. Predictions may be influenced by biased or incomplete data. Models can be complex and difficult to interpret, making it too hard to understand why certain predictions are being made. Even the most accurate models may not be able to predict unexpected events or black swan events. Portfolio optimization: machine learning algorithms can be used to optimize portfolios by identifying the best combination of stocks to maximize returns and minimize risk. Algorithm trading: machine learning can be used to develop algorithms that automate trading decisions based on the market predictions. Risk management: machine learning can be used to identify potential risks and mitigate them by providing early warnings and alerts to investors. Sentiment analysis: machine learning can be used to analyze social media and news articles to identify market sentiment and predict misbehavior. Results and discussions. We have performed the analysis on stock markets data and they are NSE Tata Global. For this, we had used a decision tree logical regression. As the model, we do not access to real-time data or the ability to make predictions on specific stocks or markets. The model logistic regression got the accuracy of 84.5% and got the graph. The model decision tree got the accuracy of 85%. Therefore, investors should use caution when making investment decisions based on the machine learning predictions and consider other factors as well. And these are results and discussion table showing the model and output model logistic regression decision where this is the final output while making the algorithms final result where the green predicts the predicted data, blue indicates the complete data, and orange indicates the training data. Conclusion: the prediction task of the stock market movement by machine learning and dataset was based NSE data. The use of machine learning can potentially improve investment decisions and increase returns. The growth of the companies are from different sector and try to find out which is the best time span for predicting the future price of the share. The prediction can be more accurate if the model will train with a great number of data sets. Even the most accurate models may not be able to predict the unexpected or black swan events. These are the references I have discussed, and thank you for patiently listening through my video.